So we're making our way out of Michigan today, and we're stopped at a little campground called Bergland Township Park. And we've had a little bit of rain the last day or two, and we still have rain on the forecast, and honestly it just makes everything a little bit more difficult in a truck camper. But our tanks are full and we need to dump, so we're gonna go dump in the rain real fast, and then we'll make our way out of the state.
So even though it's rainy, we usually take this to our advantage and stay at a campground, like Connor said, so we can dump. We also showered this morning, which was very, very necessary. It's been too long. And we also got to plug in, recharge our batteries. Because of the rain, it's so cloudy, we don't have enough solar, so that also is a plus. So we kind of get all of it together to make sure that the campground is worth it for us. Today is our last day in Michigan, and we're making our way to Wisconsin.
Now that the tanks are empty and the camper is full of fresh water and our batteries are topped off, it's time to leave the state. But before we do, we're gonna go try out one thing that we've had tons of recommendations about, and we didn't get to do it last year, and we could not leave the state without doing it again this year.
What might that be?
So for the past 2 months, every time we post a video here in Michigan, somebody always comments and says that I have to go try a pasty. And driving through Ironwood, we've had a ton of recommendations here, so we ended up at Joe's.
Today.
Oh yeah.
It's my first time having one. So we've been in Michigan for like 2 months.
We had people suggest this place, so this was a stop.
We've been here 77 years. My grandfather started.
Oh my gosh.
My sister's taken over, so third generation.
I'm from Dallas originally. She's from
I'm
Florida.
from Florida.
But we travel in a camper right now, doing YouTube and stuff. So
Love it.
we're headed
Okay.
towards Montana.
Oh, yeah.
So county cross.
Good for you guys. Yeah.
I feel like I'm checking something big off my UP bucket list. Thankfully, we made it to Joe's. They've been around for 75 years, which is crazy. All family owned, it's been passed down for a few generations. She was great to talk to inside. And this is just a traditional one, so it's got ground beef, onions. I don't really know what's in it, so we're gonna try it out.
Potatoes.
Potatoes. Oh, that's pretty good. Thanks for the suggestions. This is pretty crazy. So starting in Ironwood here, right at the very top northwest corner of the Upper Peninsula, you can actually hike or bike all the way down to Detroit. That's a long way.
You want to do it next summer? So on the other side of the board, I was reading about the train that they used to have from Chicago up to Wisconsin and the Upper Peninsula of Michigan, and they would do just a weekend trip. They would go up and spend 2 days fishing here, and then they would take them back and arrive at their homes on Monday morning. We were just saying how we wish trains were still a popular means of transportation. I just think they would be so cool just to get on and be somewhere new and see some new views.
If you've done anything like that in the States, please let us know, because we've been talking about it for a while and we think it'd be a really fun idea.
Yes, please let us know.
All right, it's enough exploring. Let's go camp.
When he says let's go camp, we don't really know where we're going, what's new, but he found this free camp spot, so hopefully it works out. Keep it posted. Our first time in Wisconsin!
New state for me and for her.
Woohoo! And Brakey. Alright, we just arrived at the free campsite. It's called Potato Falls. It is beautiful here. We've only seen 2 people so far, so we're gonna finish walking the camp loop and see how many other people there are. There's 2 spots available so far, so that's a pretty good sign. It also helps because I think the rain deterred some people from camping, so we'll take it.
I'm gonna let the sun shine in today.
They also have a little pit toilet outhouse here, which was pretty nice for free. It was clean, just a little baggy, but hey, they got it.
And I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today.
So we got like 30 minutes outside before the bugs started attacking us, and we're hungry anyway, and we've crossed into Central Time, so we forgot that there was a time change, and now it's time for us to come cook dinner. I think we're gonna make some breaded chicken with some pasta and some salad, so let's get that cooked.
I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to fade. Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sunshine in the day. I'm gonna let the past be filled with smoke. And I will try to fix what has been broken. And take this weight off my shoulders, 'cause I know yesterday ain't coming back. I'm gonna let the past stay in the cold. I will listen to the ocean, but it's unsaid, words be spoken. And I'll let my mind be carried by the waves.
Yum.
Alright, so far, this is already way easier than it was last time. This meal looks fantastic. People say you can't have creative things living in a truck camper. It's a pretty good meal. Not bad, huh?
That was pretty good.
I'm full.
Me too. But that was good dinner. This is the mess I was talking about. Let's clean it all up. Alright, all clean, and we have some leftovers for tomorrow.
Say something that will make my day, 'cause these memories of her won't go away. They're haunting me so I can't sleep. She was a pretty little liar who cut me deep, 'cause she left me here alone. Now my bed feels just like cobblestone. Oh, why did she go? Oh,
Good morning, everybody. We finally have a little bit of sunshine out today, which is long overdue. And there's two little trails at this campground. I think they lead to different falls, so we're gonna go check those out today. Looks like it'll be, I don't know, lower 70s, but mostly blue skies. Ready for that. Yeah, you ready to explore?
I'm ready. Let's go check them out.
Start of this little campground, there is a day use parking area, so this must get relatively busy in the summertime. I'm sure it does. It's just a nice little walk. We can already hear the falls, so it can't be that far away. Okay, that's far better than either one of us expected, so we're gonna see if we can get down a little bit lower and see a different angle of it.
I don't know if you can hear me, but this is definitely one of our favorite things that happens when we stumble upon random campgrounds that we just don't know anything about, and you find something gorgeous like this. It's a really good spot. Also good timing, it just got pretty busy. So we're gonna go head back now. You made that look so easy.
I can't believe this place is free. It's pretty cool.
So we counted the stairs on our way up, and there's 130 stairs. It's gonna work out.
How many did you climb? 0. You can already start to see a couple trees changing colors. I'm sure this place is gorgeous in the fall. Either way, it's nice.
It is a little bit buggy here, so we have lots of mosquito bites, but it is beautiful and quiet, so we'll take the mosquitoes.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed coming along with us as we finally get to a new state of Wisconsin, end our time in Michigan, and just enjoy some beautiful free camping.
Yeah, we've definitely missed free camping. It is nice and quiet out here, like I said earlier, but it is extremely buggy. So if you guys have any mosquito recommendations to keep them away, we would love if you guys would drop those below because it's getting pretty bad.
Obviously, the closer you are to Lake Superior and the coast, it seems to be a little less buggy, but we've stayed inland a little bit because there's the free camping, so we're kind of trying to figure out how to deal with that. But either way, we're so excited to be moving farther and headed west. It's just nice to be exploring new areas.
Again, thank you all for the suggestions. We are going through those and can't wait to hit some of the spots. But as always, thank you guys for watching.
Hope you have a large day. We'll see you next time.